All right, welcome back, guys. There's another video here on Ethereum. I think a couple weeks I did do a video on Ethereum. And I said that as price comes and test here, we would see a continuation downwards to test this what we call the neckline or the neckline of this what we call double bottom. So yeah, um, I think there's nothing much here to discuss. The fact that as currently we're seeing that what I did say is work is press praying out as I literally analyze the market. Because as we can see, this is a very very strong um strong resistance here. As price failed to break it once, second time, third time, and fourth time broke it and then came down. So we can see that this area of price zone is very key. So therefore I'm expecting it. I did expect price to touch the highs and break to the lower side, which is currently is at, as we can see here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through this briefly and just see it. So as it still stands, we can see that we're still in a bearish structure, which is mostly every crypto chart at this point. You can see here that we did touch our what we call our golden ratio, so golden range, golden retracement period, which is the 61.8. Price did touch it, I'm saying, which is in aligned with the last structure before price went up for bullish run, which is the last support slash resistance here. So looking at it, price already in correlation as there is saying world history does repeat itself. So we can see here, as I had said, price should come and test the 61.8 range of resistance before we can see any further downwards back to the support levels we identified here in the last video. So yeah, this is my monthly standing so far. Now so we go on the weekly time frame. So the weekly, as I said, is pretty much the same thing. I did make a comment on the fact that due to the last price history, the price failed to break first time, second time, or third time. Again, liquidity here, price came to grab all of that. So this is showing us how important this level of resistance and support is to the Ethereum market participants, which is the buyers and sellers. And in this case, sellers did take control with the help of the news that came out, again relating to inflation, hitting a pause on the US market. So which is a good news, but long term we can see a different outcome, different results coming out. As I said in my last video, Bitcoin, there is news coming out in terms of obviously a few interesting ones that are highly to cause some volatility in the market. So as on Tuesday we have the flash service PMI, manufacturing, which is the industry, to see how the countries obviously the countries manufacturing industry, if there's any any good news coming out of that industry. So pound, the US, and the euro. So Tuesday is a very important day for the market. And on Thursday is very important. We've got the GDP coming out for quarter. So you'll see last year's third quarter or fourth quarter compared to this year's quarter to see if there's any increase or decrease, which is another important news. And obviously, I don't know what this is about, to be honest with you. This is So this is another financial news. Friday, another important day. This is another important factor of what we call a component or part of the inflation rate. As these are prices that control and understand how inflation is going for the currency, which in this case is the US dollar. And we have the Fed chair, which is Powell speaking, very important again. So all these events are really, really going to turn the market upside down. Volatility is going to be very high, extremely high, especially in the forex market and crypto market. So yeah, now back to the charts now. So since now we know there's a lot of news and a lot of things happening, especially this coming week, as especially this is also the last week of we call it August, especially last trading week of August. So therefore, we should be expecting, and obviously we're in the last quarter of 2022. So therefore, we should be seeing some huge news coming out, and obviously events that would turn a market. It might be good news, might be bad news. We don't know yet. We just have to wait and see. So yeah, as I say, my previous analysis still stands, which is going in my favor. So if you entered, let's say, if you entered a what we call let's say a sell here, and put your stop loss right above here, and obviously you take profit just above the neckline, you should be in profit right now as we speak here. So yeah, as I said, this video is just a recap, just to update and obviously see how the market is going from my previous last analysis that I dropped about a week or two ago. So yeah, but yeah, so currently I'm expecting the market to, as we can see here, we have the resistance on our daily time frame. We have one here. We have resistance came down, went up. Team support went up. So yeah, there's got a lot of going on in the market. But however, on a daily time frame, we do have some liquidity that needs to be collected. Here, that's if market breaks past this resistance that we have at 16. If market is able to break past it, then I can expect price to go up here. Test the last resistance and come down to test the neckline on our weekly and monthly time, on our weekly time frame, especially. See, them to see, but overall, I should expect Ethereum to go down unless we have some good news coming out from this week's news or any other events that might be a positive or might cause buyers to take absolute control and drag prices upwards. Who knows? I guess we will see. But for now, this is my current prediction, my current understanding, what I'm understanding from the current price action of Ethereum. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Drop like, subscribe, share, do all of that nice stuff, and let me know what other crypto, what other chart you want me to check out and obviously analyze and